These are the parts I'll be using to install the refrigerator water line. Except for the 1.5" screws, I just needed those. I got the Shark Bite compression fitting. 1/2" copper will go in each side. In this case, I don't need the compression fittings because this already has the seal in there. And it'll just thread right into there. And it even has a valve. I'm going to be using this pipe cutter. I'm not going to cut it here, I'm just showing. All you do is tighten that, just snug it a little bit, and you turn this around the pipe like that. You turn it around like this and it cuts. And you gradually screwing this in just little by little as you're spinning it around, and eventually it'll cut the pipe. I'm going to cut 2 sections, take out about this much. I'm ready to cut it. Just turn it around so you can see that mark it's making. Tighten it a little bit more. Almost there, I think. Yep, I see Wawa coming through. There it is. Cut about that much, that should be good. And since I'm using the Shark Bite, the pipe slips in here, and then there's a seal in here. So I didn't want to use any sandpaper on this pipe. Just the sandpaper might create enough grooves for the water to slip past the seal, so I used this to clean off any debris and dirt on these pipes. Oh, I guess you can move it. All done. The water is on. No leaks. For these kind of connections, you should use a wrench like this, but in this case you can't because I can't. This opening doesn't fit here, so I'll use a regular wrench. You just snug this. It doesn't have to be super tight, so it should work fine. And I'm going to run it along there. And that wire right there in the floor is, I think, is what's going up through the wall where the fridge is. I'm going to be using these to support the line every so often. I know these are for conduit, but this will work fine. This wire was like this when we moved in. I should secure it better. This is not the proper way, but they were there. I'll get those white things with the nails. Okay, here's the hole I drilled, and it's perfect. You can see light down in there. This is the old fridge. Right there, the hole I just drilled. Now the fish shit up in there. And here it is. I'll leave this much slack. And whenever we need to pull the fridge out, it's all done. Ran it through here. And then ran it through here. I did some hose management. Turn this valve when we get the new fridge tomorrow. Here's the new fridge. And I got the line all hooked up, and I turned the valve on, and there's no leaks. I turned this valve on earlier and I didn't find any leaks. There, I put it all the way on. No leaks here. Still no leaks on the copper pipe. I say it's all good. And here's our new fridge.